In this video, I am going to make an eco-friendly and non-blockable drainage system. To be specific, the kitchen sink drainage system. At first, I have taken this cape from decorative light, applying glue to stick it with the pipe. This Teflon tape will provide a grip to block the water. To make a hole in the can, I am hitting this pipe. Will go to the can and the pink pipe will go to the drain. So the basic idea behind this project is the sink water fills the can at first and then the water overflows and goes to the drainage system, but the heavy particles gets stored in the can and only the water goes to the drainage system. After water and the drainage system as well. Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.